Hi there again. In this little film we're going to be making the Hempcrete walls upstairs in the bedroom. Upstairs the walls are slightly thinner, so I decided to encapsulate the timber frame inside the hemp walls. I was having trouble getting out some of the stainless steel screws. Here you can see the little plastic spacer tubes that I mentioned in a previous film. I only used them a few times because I found it actually easier to use the tension on the screws and a spirit level. I am shaping the shuttering around the jowl post, freestyle. Here's my magical pen that tells me if the electric is on or off. It's now off. And it's now back on. Okay, who needs expensive sawhorses when you have toilet roll and a bathroom stool? Where would we be without gaffer tape? I grazed my finger and it's stinging quite a lot with the lime and citric acid, so I'm using a piece of kitchen roll and electrical tape to protect it inside my gloves. Now we're going to make a batch of hemp. 1 bucket of water. 1 bucket of Vicat Prompt lime binder. A dustbin lid to keep the dust down. Then Tempo citric acid to give the Vicat Prompt a longer set time. I've had this song in my head for a week. I like driving in my car. It's not quite a Jaguar. I think I've got the record upstairs somewhere. First bucket of hemp shit. Second bucket of hemp shit. Rushing about like a blue-ass fly trying to prep for the next mix. We're going to pour it into 2 buckets this time because I've got to carry it up the stairs. Another mix ready to go in the walls. Here under the windowsill I've allowed the Hempcrete made with Vicat Prompt to set a little. After about 10 or 15 minutes it becomes more malleable and you can squeeze it into the gaps basically without using any shuttering. Another day. There's not a hole in the back of my wardrobe, I am just messing about. That sounds like I've got really bad wind. Getting there slowly. Freestyle. What on earth have you got on your head? That looks like a tea cozy. Freestyle. I was using all the random pieces of shuttering from downstairs. Thanks so much for watching. It's been emotional. I finished the walls upstairs in all good time before midnight and we all turned into pumpkins. This is the last film that I'm making about Hempcrete. I'll be making some more films about other projects around the house. Thanks again, bye.